I saw this. This bird is just kind of cute, but kind of annoying. If you just look really closely, there's a bird in there. I need to go on the other side. One second. I'm going. Oh, that's my skateboard right there. The bird is right over there. I swear. It's going away from me. Where is he, guys? Can you see him? He's on the other side. Man, he was on the side. He's at the top. See, hear that? That's a bird. Where is he?
The baby bird?
Uh-huh.
Where?
Inside our bushes.
Right?
Inside the bushes. I think he's like trapped in there. Should we save it? Should we save it?
What?
Should we save the baby bird?
They save it? I don't know where it is.
Is this poison ivy?
No.
Oh. Oh my God, he's right over there. You guys see him? See a little cute. Right over. And I have to sneakily go on the other side. I have to do a lot of running. I'm so happy I have my Fitbit on right now. See? My Fitbit. See, my Fitbit is on right now. Okay. Don't mind if I do. Push me now. Bird. Poor bird. Oh, poor bird. Poor bird. I really feel bad. That's a baby bird. I really feel bad. He's stuck in the branches. I really want to save that bird. I'm not gonna lie. Let's ride a skateboard to the Okay, we're here already. My skateboard's going back where it was. I really feel like saving that baby bird. He's right there. Bird. 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 Oh, he's coming over here. Bird. Mike, I kind of want to save the bird, I'm not going to lie.
What?
I kind of want to save the bird.
I don't know where it is.
It's like in the bushes. you sure this isn't poison ivy?
That's not poison ivy. It's just a regular poison. What are you talking about there?
Like poison ivy somewhere near here.
No, this is not poison ivy.
You have that in there?
That in there?
No, like in also in there. See that red stuff?
Yeah, it's not poison ivy. It's just a regular bush.
Well, we need to
Poison
save that.
ivy's shiny. It has like.
We have to save
Still
that baby.
shiny.
We have to save that baby bird.
I think it's on the other side.
No, because then we're entering our neighbor's yard. No, I'm not. Mike, I don't know. Mike, get me leaf choppers. Oh man, I really want to save that baby bird. I really feel bad. Oh, what can I get in? Ooh, yes. Oh, a broom. Okay, that's kind of gonna work. I don't know. I'm gonna try. Okay, we're gonna try using a broom, which is definitely not gonna work. Okay. Put the camera down right here. Let's try figuring them out. Oh, I think I see them. Turn the camera a little bit. Trying to get him up. Oh, guys, I think we have a winner. We have a winner, I think. Where is he? I don't care about the helicopter. Oh my god, he went over here. He's back over here. Come on, baby bird. I really feel bad for him, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, we can't get him. Come on, birdie. Yes, I think we got him, guys. Is he flying off? Or is he? He's still stuck. I need that broom. Oh, jeez. Why is it so? Where's the head? Hi, Mom. Hi. Mom's here. sec. Okay. Look at the bird. We have a winner, guys. Oh, do you guys, do you see it? It's stuck in there.
Can you see him over there, Ben?
I can see him.
Up there he is.
Did he start flying?
Yeah, he's right over here on the fence.
Oh, yes. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Where'd he go? I can't believe we saved the bird.
Right there.
Where?
Right over there. On that, not this fence, but that fence. The neighbor's fence. If you go on this side, you can see him.
Okay. All right, we saved the bird.